I'm here in Gabriel Iglesias' amazing garage. It's
amazing.
It's the only garage that has a food court. It's pretty amazing. Yeah. Now, you've got so many great cars here, but last time I was here, I didn't see this. Can we start with this one?
Oh.
Tell us what we have here.
Oh, we can start with this one. And I know you're excited because it's not a Volkswagen. All right, Jay, behind you is a 1962 Impala. I recently got this. It was 4 years in the making for me.
Wow.
I ordered it 4 years ago, and it's finally here.
I think that's the same guy that's doing my bathroom. Yeah,
Nice.
Yeah. No, this is
his name Mario?
Yeah. See, this is what I like. I like a car that looks stock, original paint, original kind of chrome, nothing modified there. But under the hood, I'm sure it's a beast. Now, this originally came with either 348 or 283 or 409, but this has got a modern Corvette motor.
It is a modern Corvette engine in it. And let me just, I know how you feel about this, but it's actually Ferrari red.
Ferrari red, that's okay. No, I like Ferrari red. I like Ferrari. No, I think, boy, it's a beautiful car. You know, the difference between a really 100-point restoration and just a guy who fixed something up is night and day, because this probably looks better than it did when it came out of the factory.
I promise you it looks a lot better than it did, because I saw photos of what these looked like when they first came out, and it was not this shiny, not this low, not this pretty. The interior's all been redone. It's peanut butter, of course.
I like all your stuff.
It's coming. It's coming.
It has a food thing to it. Yes.
There's always a food element
in these
involved.
wheels. There's similar to donuts.
Yeah, there's donut.
Yes. And the transmission tunnel looks like a crawler. Yeah. No, it's a fabulous car. It really is. It's nice, and I love how it looks like a modern interpretation of the original kind of pattern, because there's something 60s about the pattern, but something else kind of new about it. So that's great.
Crazy. Do you want to see under the hood?
Let's see under the hood.
All right.
I think it opens from here, right?
So this is a build from my friend Mario at Topline.
I assume we're looking at about 600 horsepower here.
Stock. I'm kidding. Yeah, it's not stock. Yeah, it's safe to say at least 5.
Yeah, but see, I like all these little touches. See this little strut here that holds the hood up, nicely done.
It is clean. You can eat off of it.
It is a clean. And you know, the thing is, you probably have eaten off it, because you've eaten off of everything in this garage. And I love this garage. If Martha Stewart was doing a car garage, this is what she'd do. I mean, the beautiful wood. I like these fancy fans. I mean, you know, most guys like me just have a garage, you know. You put some paint in, but you've really done this. It really looks like.
I tell everybody it's a Jay Leno starter kit.
Well, that's right.
It's a Jay Leno starter kit.
I would
Look
be
at the
proud.
art on the walls. The only reason I have art on the walls is because I was trying to copy what you were doing, and so thank you for leading the charge on that.
Well, you should be very proud. You did a beautiful job. Let's see what else we got here.
All right.
Can I pick another one of my favorites that I like here?
I'm going to say no.
I like this because it's tastefully modified. But going over here now, what is this? This is an IROC Camaro, right?
Oh, yeah. That is an IROC-Z
are we looking at?
This is a 1989.
Yeah, this is a beautiful car. And this is a totally original car, 300 miles?
Totally original car. I just got it. It has 344 miles, original miles.
Wow.
The interior still has plastic on it. It hasn't, you know, it's as new as you can get it.
Boy, that's right. Well, it's a beautiful car.
It's beautiful.
We should feature this at Jay Leno's garage. Can you bring this over?
I'm definitely going to tow it over because I don't want to put miles on it until I get to you.
Okay, well, we'll do it. We'll do a complete, we'll drive. We'll let you know how a car that's been sitting for 50 years, how it actually, 40 years.
1989, yeah.
Again, math is not my strong suit. Let's pick one. Now, you've got all these Volkswagen buses. It's hard to pick. I mean, they all look so great. But this one here kind of interested me. Let's take a look. Now, the wheels look smaller. The body appears to be much like the Chevy. Body looks great, but I assume heavily modified under the hood.
This is a 1967. Okay. They did not come like this when they first came out. As a matter of fact, there's one right there with the plates in front. Right behind the real 23. That is exactly what they look like. That's how they came originally, and this is what my friend Henry Marchena did right here. He lowered it and he modified it for comfort, basically.
The things I love about original is you have features that are illegal now, but were very cool back in the day. You have a windshield that actually opens, and you can open each side. because air conditioning was not available in these
There
cars.
was not air conditioning back then.
No.
And I think anything that you do nowadays to modify a vehicle in California is going to be considered not cool.
I like this. You have to literally get out and take the wiper off
Yeah.
when it begins to rain. Yeah.
You know, clearly I would not take this one out in the rain, but if you did, now that's what you would do.
Right.
You would take them out and set them, and then good luck driving
Well,
in the rain.
I just love that the windshield opens, because then you get that sort of wind in your face kind of thing. Very cool.
And a couple of bugs, but you know.
Now, this is not a factory color either, is it?
No, so it's kind of like a root beer. We got like the colors
Again,
of
the food thing, root beer.
Yeah. So kind of like root beer colors, or you would say like Cleveland Brown colors. I call this one Iron Man because it's kind of like the Iron Man colors.
And
I'm a
it's
huge
got-
Marvel fan, so that's the inspiration right there was the colors.
Is that a factory sunroof?
Nothing on this car is factory right
Okay.
now. I mean, except for the body itself. But
Right.
the interior's been redone. The paint's not original. The paint's just, you know, it was never this fun. And I took certain liberties with the chrome. It
Right.
didn't have this much chrome on it.
I thought
when
it had a
first
little
came
bit
out.
more chrome.
Yeah, so we went as chrome as we could with.
And
with
how many
everything we had.
horsepower are you getting out of this motor?
You're going to get about 190 horsepower out of this one. That's how much it's been modified. So yeah, it goes. You can actually take it on the freeway, and I have.
Well, that's what I mean. You know, if there's one disappointment to these cars, they were originally had 36 horsepower.
They were very slow.
And it was almost
Very slow.
dangerously slow, where you just get run over. So because I've got a 57 Bug that we redid, and we just tastefully modified. That's got about 95 or 100 horsepower. And what a difference. I mean, it really moves, and you can really get out of your own way. But nice job. So, Gabriel, you've done a wonderful job here. This really is a beautiful, this is almost something, should be in Architectural Digest or one of those magazines.
Okay, you put me in touch.
Or maybe one of the cooking magazines.
Nice. We can feature
Yeah, I
this.
think, yeah.
We'll put a grill right in the middle, and
Yeah.
then we can
That's
feature
good.
it.
Well, thanks.
But
Thank you, my
thank you,
friend.
Jay.
Yeah. We got to do that IROC.
We got to do that IROC.